Good morning students. How are you today? Good. So welcome to your science class and we are continuing with chapter number 4. So we have completed our chapter. What we have done in this chapter? We will revise this one chapter. So what are different parts of plants? Plant consists of shoot system and root system. Shoot system is the part which grow above the ground. That is called shoot system. And it consists of what? Stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. Yes. Then what it is? Root system. Root system consists of roots. Roots are of different types. That are of how many types? 2 types. Which are they? Taproot and fibrous root. Taproot is one thick root, out of which only one and thick root. Okay, out of which small roots comes out. And what is fibrous root? From one point, many roots are coming out. Yes, that is fibrous root. Now, in shoot system, stem. Stem in young plant, it is a thin and green in color. And when it is in big plants, it is hard and woody, and it is brown in color. That we call it as prong. Then leaves. Leaves are of different shapes and size. And the upper part of the leaf is called as leaf blade. Yes. And below the leaf, that is what? Yes, there are small openings. That is called as stomata, out of which excess water which is there, it removes that. Yes, the plant removes the water through leaves. And leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Yes, so leaf can be of different shapes. Yes, like needle shape or flat, broad. Yes, so this is all about leaf. Now what? Flowers. Flowers of different colors and different fragrance. Yes, and it attracts other small insects, butterflies, bees, and even birds to come and suck the nectar. That is the juice of the flower. Yes, and flowers are used in many different purposes, like in preparing talcum powder, deodorant, bathing soap, yes, and even in the oil which we get from flowers is used in a medicinal purposes also. Yes. Now fruits. Fruits is the fleshy part. Yes, it is usually sweet. Yes, and we eat it. And fruits are of 2 types, either one seed or many seeds. Yes. And about the seeds, what are seeds? When we sow the seeds, it gives rise to new plant. Yes, because of water, add water, it develops into new plant. So that is called as germination of a seed. What it is called as? Germination. And what is photosynthesis? The process by which plant prepares its own food is called as photosynthesis. How it happens? So plants in presence of sunlight and from chlorophyll, it takes what? Carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil, and it gives out what? Food, that is sugar plus oxygen. That is called as photosynthesis. And what else we have learned? We eat different parts of plants. So we eat all, that is root, stem, leaves, fruits. Yes, we eat all those things. Yes. So this is all about plants. Yes. Now we are going to complete our book work and copy work today. So first we will start in our observation book. So let's start. So now in your observation book on page number 41, you will do question number 8, that is complete the table given below. One is done for you as an example. that is food item, and from which part of the plant you get that food item. Like sugarcane, which part of the plant it is? It is the stem of the plant. Okay. Now rice, what is rice? It's the seed. Yes, rice is the seed of the plant. Okay. What is cabbage? Cabbage is the leaves. Cabbages are leaves. Banana is a fruit. What is banana? Fruit. What is wheat? Wheat is also the seed of the fruit or plant. Wheat is also the seed of the plant. Now what is potato? Potato is the stem of the plant. What is potato? Potato is the stem of the plant. What is turnip? Turnip is root. What is turnip? Turnip is root of the plant. And what is orange? It's the fruit. What is orange? It's the fruit of the plant. Now on page number 43, we will do MCQs. Choose the correct option. Plant produces dash that we require to breathe in. What does plant produces? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide or oxygen? We require to breathe in oxygen. So plant produces oxygen for us? Yes. Now the part of the plant that grow above the ground is called root, herb or shoot. Above the ground is called as shoot, and below the ground is what? Root. Now third, the part of the plant that grow below the ground is called root. The part of the plant that grow below the ground is called root. Fourth one, dash help in the removal of excess water vapor from the leaf. Which part? Stomata. They are the small openings behind, that is the back side of the leaf. Yes, where it is? Back side of the leaf. Yes, that is underneath. Okay. That helps in the removal of excess water vapor from the leaves. Now fifth one, plants such as dash and grass have groups of root arising from a single point. Plants such as dash and grass have groups of root arising from a single point. Which is that? Carrot, rose or wheat? Wheat. Yes. Now, sixth one, the dash is the part with which a leaf is attached to the node. Through which the leaf is attached to the node? Through stalk. Through stalk. Dash is the part with which a leaf is attached to the node with stalk. Dash attract, seventh one, dash attract insect, bees and butterfly. Which part of the plant is very beautiful and attractive? Flowers. Yes, flowers attract insect, bees and butterflies. Eighth one, the green substance present in leaves is called chlorophyll. Yes, the green substance present in leaf is called chlorophyll, because of which it is green in color. Na? Yes. Plum is a fruit with dash seed. How many seed it has? 2, 1 or 4? It has only 1 seed. Yes, plum is a fruit with 1 seed. Now root absorb water and dash from the soil. What does root absorb? Starch, food or minerals? It absorbs mineral and water from the soil. What does root absorb? Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, now we will do copy work. Okay, so in your copies you will write question number 5. How does a seed germinate? Explain with the diagram. So this diagram you have to draw it in your copy. Okay, this diagram you have to draw it in a copy. The seed, first the small root is coming out of it, then it is increasing, then it is the seed break out. One part is developed as root and other as a shoot. Okay, so this shoot and again it develops into a plant, start developing, and root gets inside the soil in presence of water and sunlight. Okay, in presence of air, water and sunlight. So this diagram you will do it in your book, in your copy. This diagram you will do it in your copy. Okay. Now we will write question number 6. Explain the process of photosynthesis in a plant with diagram. Okay. So we have learned what is photosynthesis. The process by which plant make their own food is called as photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? जब plant make its own food, है ना, जो खाना अपना खुद बनाता है, that process is called as photosynthesis. Now what is that process? In this process, plant takes carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil, and then in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the leaves convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar, that is food, and oxygen. So what is this process? In this process, plants, that is what? Leaf. Where the photosynthesis process takes place? In the leaves. So what they do? They take in sunlight and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they take in what? Carbon dioxide from there. What they take in? Carbon dioxide. And water from where it takes? It takes water from the soil. What it takes from the soil? Water. And what it takes? Carbon dioxide from? Air. So in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it converts this both thing. What? Carbon dioxide and water. What it converts? Carbon dioxide and water into what? Into sugar food. That is its food, and it gives out oxygen. So it converts it into what? Sugar and oxygen. And so you will show it in a diagram how carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, sugar plus oxygen. What it converts into? Sugar. That is its food plus oxygen. Okay. Okay then. Bye. Take care.